supposed to be a nice simple oil change, but as you can see, sump plug's not moving. I think it's time to bust out the big guns. Can we get it out? Nah. I think it's time for a new sump. This is a problem that mechanics face quite often. An aluminium sump pan, a steel plug, over tightened, threads are gone, what can you do? So a lot of people will just helicoil it, put a new sump plug in and think nothing of it. But where has all that swarf gone? Well, let's have a look at doing this on the bench to see exactly what happens. Well, that's annoying considering that there's no usable thread left. It's really stuck in there. Bizarre. Okay. Back to the drawing board. We can finally get in somewhere with this. There we go. Knackered. So, let's drill it out and helicoil it. Look, that is a lot of swarf in the sump. So we haven't even run the tap through to add the new thread. But what do you think that's going to do? It's just going to add even more swarf into the sump. That is already unacceptable levels of debris in the sump. So I'm not trying to say that you shouldn't helicoil. What I am trying to say though is that if you're going to helicoil, you've got to remove the sump. Now, some people in the comments below are probably going to say, yeah, but if you use a shop vac and hoover the bits up as you go, blah, 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 that's not going to stop the problem, okay? Yes, you could flush it through some more, but you're not going to guarantee that you get all those bits out, okay? Because the amount of times that I take the sumps off on these to do, to check the pickup pipe, there's a load of stuff left in the sump after I've drained the oil. So that's proof that an oil flush isn't going to solve the problem, all right? So we're clear that the sump has to come off. At that point, you've got to decide your time, cost of parts versus the cost of just buying a new sump. That's up to you, because maybe sumps aren't available for the vehicle that you're working on. Maybe they are, but they're prohibitively expensive. But in this case, it is an absolute no-brainer for me to just replace the sump. Now, you've also got to consider the longevity of a helicoil repair. I'm not convinced that they will last as long as the fresh thread on a new sump. But let's discuss that down below. I'll see you in the comments. Cheers, guys.